This is Eswar Kumar, Faculty of Geography and Current Affairs. So I have been teaching Geography and Current Affairs since 7 years for UPSC Civil Services, UPSC Defense Services. I am here to discuss about what is the importance of Geography subject for UPSC Civil Service examinations for prelims, mains as well as optional subjects. And also I will discuss about what is the weightage for geography for prelims, mains and also what are the marks allocated for optional subject if you have chosen geography as your optional subject. And also I will discuss about like the previous weightages which was like up to 2023. I will discuss the scenario of geography in preliminary examination as well, right? And also at that I will discuss about the books related to prelims, books related to mains examination as well as optional subjects, right? So and also I will give the strategy how to crack the civil services in your first attempt. Let us discuss in detail, my dear students. Let us see. So first thing is that first we have to know that why we need to read geography. One thing is that, of course, one thing is that it is a part of UPSC syllabus. So that's why we have to read geography. And one more aspect of after selection, if you are posted as district magistrate or district collector in any hilly area, what you have to know first? You have to know that you have to know about their soil, agriculture, weather patterns. Of course, climate pattern is similar everywhere. So we have to know about weather of that particular district, agriculture of that particular district, soil pattern of that particular districts, and also resources like minerals and mines that were present in that part of districts. We have to know, and also we have to know that rivers present over there, and also streams and the paths means like you have to know about course of that rivers as well, right? So how you are able to get to know that information if you have command over geography subject, right? So that's why geography plays a major role to understand your district's relief and topography and also soil, weather, then after that rivers, minerals, mines, whatnot, everything. And also you come to know about your people, means demography of the people. You will know if you know geography, right? So that's why geography plays a significant role in your job as well as in cracking of UPSC civil services examination. That's the thing, right? So let us discuss some more information. Like if you understand the trend of geography, means if you understand the like subject wise weightage of UPSC prelims examination, like from 2011 to 2023, this will be the weightage for each and every subject. Coming to here, like in the year 2023, 14 questions came from history subject, 16 questions came from geography, which is our beautiful subject. Then after that, polity 15, economy 14, science and technology 12 questions, and environment 14 questions, and current affairs 15 questions. One thing is that I am current affairs as well as geography faculty. So that when I teaching the subject, I cover current affairs. Usually I covers what will cover current affairs and also geography, along with that environment as well, along with that disaster management. And we know that disaster management, environment and ecology, and these are interlinked concepts of geography, right? So when I teach the classes for UPSC general studies as well as geography, I used to cover geography, disaster management and also environment and ecology along with the current updates. Means since I'm teaching these subjects since the 7 years, I have good command over this along with current affairs, right? So that's the thing. So this is the weightage for each and every subject. If you understand the weightage of geography, we can see for the year 2022, 16 questions, 21 10 questions, 20 10 questions, 29 14 questions, and this is a scenario. So on an average, you are getting questions more than 10 from geography, more than 10. Sometimes like you have seen that in the year 2012, 17 questions came from geography itself. And coming to here, environment, and we know that it is also our part, geography. Like for from environment, we got 14 questions. And from 2022 year, 14 questions, 2021, 17 questions, like that. So 10, 11, 13, 15, 18. So these are the questions that are coming from prelims examination. So that's a thing. So that's why geography plays a crucial role in selection. And coming to here, if you read the geography syllabus, your preparation is done for prelims respected to geography. Your preparation is done for mains examination, and also your preparation is done for essay, because just wait, you will come to know about it, right? So let us see. So this UPSC mains examination, and we know that we have two compulsory papers: essay paper, general studies 1 2 3 4 papers we have, and also we have additionally we have to write optional paper, which includes paper 1 and paper 2. Now coming to here, UPSC mains examination, general studies paper 1 comprises of what? History, geography, and Indian society. If you read geography, you are able to complete the syllabus related to general studies paper 1, like geography. So geography means it is like physical geography of India and world, as well as human geography. So in GS paper 1, geography syllabus is present. And after that, one more thing, one more paper, general studies paper 3. So read once, see the syllabus of general studies paper 3. Have a look. Once check it. Once check it. Right, general studies paper 3. So it has syllabus like technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment, security, disaster management. Do you know that? Biodiversity and environment, and also disaster management. These are the concepts which you will cover under geography, right? So finally, if you read the syllabus of geography, then you are able to complete the syllabus of general studies paper 3, like biodiversity, environment, as well as disaster management. So this is the importance of geography for even for mains examination. And coming to here, one more thing you need to remember here. One more thing you need to remember here. If you if you are going to attempt essay paper, if you want to attempt essay paper, so in recent times you are getting the questions related to climate change, environmental impacts, green tribunals. They are obviously they are related to geography, right? So that's one of the thing, beauty of geography. And coming to here, optional papers. If you have chosen geography as your optional subject, you have to write paper 1 and paper 2. And coming to here, so paper 1 says about principles of geography. In that, physical geography, geomorphology, climatology, and also oceanography. And after that, human geography. In that, economic, cultural, social, and population geography, how to write. And coming to your optional paper 2, which is related to Indian geography. There you need to read regional planning, resource distribution, industries and urbanization, and also specific issues like droughts and floods. Okay, and one more thing, these two papers comprises of 500 marks. Each paper carries 250 marks. Right? That's the one of the thing. And also coming to the essay paper, already I have discussed it with you. Like if some of the topics coming from geography as well. Like we can say environmental impacts, climate change, Paris Agreement, like some of the protocols, like Kyoto protocols, such type of protocols. Getting the questions related to that concepts which belongs to geography, right? So that's the one of the thing. And coming to here, summary of weightage, let us see. So for GS paper 1, almost 80 to 120 marks are coming out of 250 marks from geography itself. And coming to GS paper 3, 40 to 50 marks are coming out of 250 marks from geography related concepts. And coming to optional subject, if you have chosen optional as your geography as a optional, then 500 marks. So total it is like a 500 marks. And coming to the essay paper, it depends upon some year changes. Some year you may get the question, some year may not. Depends upon it depends upon the particular that year issues. Okay, so that's the weightage of geography. And coming to here, one more thing you need to remember is that if you cover geography, then automatically you are able to cover preliminary syllabus, some of the main syllabus, as well as some part of essay paper, and also if you choose an geography as an optional, then 500 marks will be in your hands. And one more thing, in essay paper also getting the questions, and sometimes in personality round also means interview also, like interviewers are asking questions related to geography, like El Nino, La Nino, Western disturbances, cyclones, anticyclones. They are asking, interview panel members are asking about these type of questions, which are related to obviously geography subject. Okay, so here at each and every stage of UPSC civil services examination, geography plays a major role. That's the important thing. And also, this geography subject is like a scientific oriented one. If you read once, then automatically you can remember the subject for a longer period of time. And also, you can implement those concepts for in your day-to-day life. That's the thing. And you can observe geography subject everywhere in the universe. For example, if you are able to predict the rain, automatically related to climate, right? So means in all the day-to-day applications, geography was involved in it. That's the thing. And coming to books for geography. So what are the books that we need to refer for geography? One thing keep in your mind, don't depend upon multiple books, depend upon single book or two books, but read them multiple times. My sincere suggestion to you guys, don't read multiple books, read one or two books for many times. One book for many times, it's a secret behind success. That's the thing. And also, so interlink that static concepts with the current affairs, so that your success will be at the top level. That's the thing. So let's discuss about the books. So first thing, you have to cover the basic books. You have to be thorough in basics of the subject. For that, what you have to do, you have to blindly follow the books which was released by Government of India, Ministry of Education. So these are the books which was released by Government of India for the Indians. Okay, so they are completely released by Government of India, means they are the very most important books for understanding the basics of the subject. Okay, and sometimes directly questions are coming from these books in UPSC examination. Like for example, these are the books, NCRT books. So you have to cover from 6th to 12th class for geography. For geography, you have to cover 6th to 12th classes. If you doesn't have time, then you can read class 11 and 12. If you have some more sufficient time, you can read from 6th class onwards. If you don't have the time, then you should read class 11 and 12th class books. So let us see. So class 6 saying about the earth, our habitat. Class 7 saying about our environment. Class 8 is saying about resource and development. And class 9 is saying about contemporary India 1. Class 10 saying about contemporary India 2. Class 11 fundamentals of physical geography and India physical environment. The class 12 saying about fundamentals of human geography and India people and economy. So these are the basic books that you must read. Don't neglect them. Okay, that's the thing. And coming to here, you have to read advanced books. Okay, you have to read advanced books, otherwise standard books. So to cover syllabus of prelims and mains, these books you have to cover. One is Certificate Physical and Human Geography, which was written by GC Law. So belongs to Oxford India Publications. And one more book, Geography India by Mazid Hussain. So he was a senior professor of geography. And World Geography by Mazid Hussain. And one more book you have to read, School Atlas. So Oxford School Atlas. Okay. Why you have to read Atlas? Because you have to mark the answers. Okay, so that's why you have to know about school atlas. And also you have to know about cold winds, cold winds, warm winds, where you will get the information. You will get that information in this atlas. Okay, so that's why atlas is very important. And coming to here, like books for geography optional. As I said, I will say the books for geography optional as well. So these are the books. Like for paper one, which is related to physical and human geography. So for that you have to follow the books like a physical geography by Savinder Singh and human geography by Mazid Hussain and economic geography by K. Siddhartha. These are the most important books that you need to cover here. And one more thing, paper one. One more thing, paper one, physical and physical and human geography. In that you have to go for geographical thought by R.D. Dixit. Geographical thought by R.D. Dixit. And after that, models in geography by Mazid Hussain. So these are the best books. These are the best books. And coming to here, paper two, Indian geography. Here, India, a comprehensive geography. D.R. Kolar. You have to read these books. And also this book gives the proper case studies. Okay. So along that factual information, along with that analysis, in that book you can find the case studies. Okay. So that's why it is one of the good book to cover Indian geography syllabus. Along with that, you have to read Indian World Geography by Mazid Hussain. Just it is like a concise book. It is like conscience book. You will get complete clear on Indian geography along with the world geography as well. Okay. So these are the books that you need to refer here. Okay. And also and also and also for geography optional subject, you have to read if you want you can go for further additional books like Environmental Geography by Savinder Singh. It is useful for environment and ecology topics, and Disaster Management by R.B. Singh. So relevant GS paper, like we know that disaster management is a part of GS3. Okay, that's the thing. And Economic and Social Geography made simple by Rupa Publications. So they are very small books. Already have all the books with me. Already have all the books with me. Okay, so I can show each and every book related to it. Okay, and see here. And Down to Earth magazine, you have to read Down to Earth magazine. So for like which covers environmental issues, climate change issues, and also some related to geography. So like current affairs, here in Down to Earth magazine, current affairs will be printed there. And after that, you have to follow Yojana and Kurukshetra magazine. Okay, so if you have time, you can go for reading of Yojana and Kurukshetra magazine. Now we will see about strategic study plan to get the success. So let us see. So first thing, you have to keep these points in your mind. That is, you have to make a study plan according to your convenience. You have to make the study plan, but making of study plan is not sufficient to crack the service. You have to follow it regularly with consistency as well. Okay, and cover the syllabus systematically. So whatever the syllabus prescribed in UPSC notification, follow that syllabus. And coming to here, follow limited resources. If you go to bookstop, you will find many books related to the single subjects. Like for example, if you see like Indian geography, you will find hundreds of books. Don't read them, no need. So select the book which feels that you are comfortable with that, then choose that book. Okay, so whatever the book you feel comfort, choose that book, read that book many times. Okay, that's one of the secret. And coming to hear that, make conscious notes. So whenever you are reading any book, make the notes, but not in the first attempt. For example, if you are reading any book, for example, if you see if you are reading this book, okay, read once, read this book completely once. In the second reading, or else third reading. Then you start to make the notes, not in the first reading. Okay. So first you have to read, complete the book. You have to read the book. Okay. So from first page to last page. Then you will come to know that what are the contents that were present in the book. Okay. Then after that, in the second reading or else third reading, you make the notes, make the concise notes. Okay. That is one of the thing. And practice through maps and diagrams. And we know that in the geography subject, you have to draw diagrams and also you have to plot some maps. Okay. According to the need of that question, you have to draw the maps. You have to draw the diagrams as well. And also you have to draw flow charts. Means completely it is not must essential. If you draw them, you will get some edge over other aspirants. Okay, that's the one of the thing. And also interlink geography with current affairs. Okay, so whenever you are reading newspaper, don't read many newspapers. Follow one or two newspapers. So whenever you are reading newspaper, or else follow like Hindu paper or else Indian Express. Whenever you are reading them, just remember the syllabus of UPSC. So whenever reading any topic, like for example, recently COP was happened, Conference of Parties 29 was happened, clear. So if anything was happened related to that COP 29, it is very essential because COP 29 is which was conducted by United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, which is a part of UN work. Okay, and in our syllabus we have about what environment. Okay, so COP is a part of environment. So that's why whenever you find the articles related to the COP, there you have to read them. Okay, so first thing, whenever you are reading newspapers, you have to keep in your mind syllabus of UPSC and interlink that articles with your static geography subject. This is one of the secret. And also regularly answer writing practice. So do regular answer writing practice. Okay, whether it is means like true or false, means try writing the answers. And after that, and mock text and time management. So attempt mock text as well as so and follow the time. For example, if the exam is for 2 hours of duration, don't write for 3 hours. Okay. For example, if the test is for 1 hour, don't write for 2 hours. Okay. So follow the time. Follow the time management. That's one of the secret. And also follow R3 means revise, revisit, and rethink. So in general, our human beings tendency is that so like from the seventh day onwards, we gradually lose our memory. Okay, so that's what we have to do. We have to revise it, revisit it, and also rethink about it. And also then after that, be regular and disciplined. So maintain the preparation with consistency so that success will teach your feet. Okay, that's the strategic plan for UPSC geography subject. Okay, not only for geography this plan, for every subject of general studies. Okay, that's the thing. And coming to here, these are the books like you can read here Geography of India by Mazid Hussain and Basic Physical Geography by Siddharth. And after that, and this more one more book and Physical Geography by Savinder Singh. And after that, if you want, if you want, you can read Spectrum as well, Geography by Spectrum. And after that, Geography for India, and also like their Rupa publications, Physical Geography by Rupa publications, and also India and World Geography by Dr. Kuller, Indian Geography by Kuller. And after that, one more thing, and social and economic and geography by same Rupa publications made simple. And after that, you can read economic geography like Siddharth, K Siddharth, and many more. And also for environment, you can read like the book like Shankran IAS. I will provide the notes as well if you want. I prepared from these books and also which I linked these concepts with current affairs.